Hey, yo, man, welcome back to the channel, man. Today's video, man, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about my digital steering wheel that I had installed yesterday. Definitely a video you don't want to miss, man. Stay tuned for this video. All right, man, this video is a little bit of a story time, man. As you heard from the intro, man, it's about the digital steering wheel, but as you can see through my back window there, I also had my louvers installed. I'm gonna give you guys a walk around at some point during this video, so don't click through too fast because you might miss something. But here's how the story went, and it took 2 weeks to get this steering wheel installed. It's a weird story. First of all, it was my fault. I ordered the wrong brand. The brand came and it was defective, right? I installed a little bit of some of the difficulties that happened during the install. I'll insert a clip right here.
I say contact them, and if they need video, you can show them this, because we got 12, and that's going to their power side. And then we have ground also, so right there. And I've come out and tested going up into the steering wheel right here. We're still getting 12 volts. And then up here, we still got a good ground. So the wiring from here look like going all the way up into the steering wheel is okay. It might be somewhere up within here. We got an open circuit, or this whole unit right here is actually just bad. Also, this right here is loose. This portion of the steering wheel right here is loose. I mean, I know it's a screw right there, so they might have just left it loose, but they could have been inside doing something else also.
All right, as you can see from that video, man, we were getting power to the steering wheel, but for some reason the LED wouldn't read out. So you talk about going from super excited to disappointed, man. It was a rough day, man. I give my installer all the credit in the world, man. He tried everything he could to get that thing to work, and we just kind of, as you heard in the video, he said I would call him or send it back or whatever. So I decided to send it back. I reached out to one of my subscribers who actually has the steering wheel, and we talk on a regular basis anyway. What's up, Tony? And when I kind of explained to him what happened through the process, he basically told me I ordered the wrong one. So that's my fault for going with a different brand. So he gave me the right brand to get. It arrived on Friday. Got my guy to hook me up on Saturday. Got it installed. I'll try to install the clip right here.
All right, we're gonna see if we get any power. Let's see. Oh, yeah. So I guess now we just need the box and you should be good.
Some of what he went through the install, and how he got it, you know, everything was working properly and everything like that. Then I'll give you guys a look around, good look at the steering wheel, look around at the whip with the louvers on it now. Then also yesterday I had my rear diffuser changed out. I want you guys to see that. Be mindful, my car's a little dirty. It's been raining. Rained like heck the last 2 days, so mind your business. But yeah, so I got it installed, super happy with it. I got a lot to learn. I'm gonna sit down sometime today or tomorrow, go through that manual. This particular steering wheel does everything that your gauge cluster does. It'll give you fuel, what percentage of fuel you're at, the temperature, the transmission, your RPMs, your miles per hour, anything that your gauge cluster do, you got literally right at your fingertips on the steering wheel. So with that being said, once I learn more about the steering wheel, I'll do future videos on how you can program it and all the different things it could do. It actually has a track mode on here. So, I mean, there's all kinds of stuff the steering wheel could do. So it's going to take some reading. It's going to take some time to actually give you a full review. I just wanted to put out something saying it's installed, let you guys take a look at it, get your comments of what you think. Do you think you want to get one? If you do, I'll try my best to put the link of the correct one in the description, and also a link in the description for the rear diffuser I got, and the louvers, of course. So if anybody's interested in doing that to their charger, I'll try to put those links in the description. Really don't have a whole lot more to say, man. We keep this video short and sweet, man. Trying to get to 800 by the end of June. So please like, comment, and subscribe, man. Don't cost you nothing, man. Share this video, tell a friend, man. Until the next video, man. Peace. I'm out. Hey, man, it's dirty, man. Don't judge me. Yeah, look at that. That's nice.